Some signs of relief in both the markets. Stock stalkers, welcome back. Let's start with DFM market index. I'm on the daily chart. Today we saw a nice and strong rebound from our support area, that is 5,896 points. Solid green candle is printed and closed right into the next area of resistance that I had mentioned yesterday, that is 5,956 points. This is the first immediate resistance that market is facing. Once this is taken out, then we have this area that is 6,030 points. This is the hurdle that market has to break out in order to be in bullish territory. Today we saw big stocks sustaining and going up, which helped the index as well, but small stocks are just surviving. They are sustaining at current level. I hope this is not a fake move. We want to see a follow through and a breakout of this resistance so that we can consider it safe and in bullish territory. By any chance, if at all DFM market index breaks this support, then we are ready to come down till 5,822. Hopefully that does not happen. We want to see market recovering after this drop right from 6,205 points. After two attempts, we are seeing market is correcting itself. Overall, no doubt DFM market index is in a strong uptrend. On the way up, we saw small pauses, and this is a proper retracement or a correction phase that DFM market is going through. Overall, index is still positive. It is just going through its correction phase. I will wait for tomorrow and see if at all it is breaking past the resistance so that we can consider it bullish, and I will change my bias as well. ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange, has also shown some strength right from our support area. This is what exactly we had discussed, that is 9,929 should hold up. If at all it fails, then we have next areas of support, that is 9,815 to 9,858 points. We can see some rejection. In today's candle, it tried to go up till about 9,977, still below strong area of resistance, that is 10,000 points. At least it has showed some strength to us today, or at least some signal is seen that buyers are defending the zone. There are good chances we may see a follow through. If at all that happens, then I want to see a decisive closing about 10,000 points to at least call it safe, and then we have next area of hurdle, that is 10,051 points. I hope this zone is broken and we see a nice closing about this zone in this week itself. Overall, even ADX market index is strongly bullish, no doubt. We are seeing strong rally from 9,404 points, went up, small pause, again went up, small pause, and now after this last leg or last push to the upside, it hit the resistance of 10,360, and from here it is correcting itself. Another thing that we can do is, technically on the chart, we can place a trend line somewhat like this. Once this trend line is broken, we will get 100% confirmation that now ADX market is very bullish. So let's wait for it and see how the market performs tomorrow. We still have resistance to break out. One of the big ticket stock in ADX market is Aldar Properties. Today we saw it open with a gap up and it maintained its momentum throughout the day. This area is very important, that is between 9.30 and 9.50. Yes, we saw breach of support zone. We also saw a red closing, that is it broke down, but today aggressive buyers again pushed it to the upside. We can see a decisive solid green candle. This confirms that yes, there are still buyers present here. This was maybe just a stop loss hunt. If I have to extend the zone, we can see it has closed above the resistance, that is 9.50. Today's volume is very good in Aldar Properties, one of the top traded stocks in ADX market. From here, I'm expecting more upside momentum, or at least a pause candle to adjust or digest this move that it had made today. Overall, Aldar Properties is also bullish. It is in a strong uptrend right from 7.62. We are seeing strong upside momentum. From here, it is correcting itself. There are chances it can again visit the same zone between 9.30 and 9.50. It should be considered as buying opportunity because we are seeing a confirmation that buyers are defending this zone. This was a fake breakdown. So where are the targets? First thing first, yes, we can plan our entry if it opens flat or with a gap up tomorrow. It is good for entry. For stop loss, I will go to lower time frame, but before that, let's adjust the targets first. That is at around 9.80. This should be our take profit area 1. From here, When it climbs up, our strong area of resistance is between 10.00 to 10.10. We cannot keep our stop loss very big. Say for example, if we are taking entries at 9.55, that is current closing price, if at all we keep this as our stop loss, then it will be very big. We will not be able to match our risk to reward ratio. So for that, let us go down to lower time frame and see if at all we can find a safe swing where we can keep a stop loss. So today's closing is at 9.55. If at all we are taking entry into this zone, we can safely place our stop loss at around 9.40, 9.42 area instead of placing our stop loss right here. So at least we save this space. Our stop loss will be small. If it comes down, we obviously exit. If it goes up, which most likely it should, then we have a good targets. If you understood this, hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.